Okay guys, welcome back to the B2A Fun channel, and in this video we're gonna be unboxing the Emirates Boeing 777-9 777X, basically aircraft from Daron. The rally one, but who cares? This is a very good model. See the engine already from here. Very nice. See the box is a bit damaged over there, but other than that, who cares? It's a very nice model. And then you have these Emirates toy and everything. It says, oh, but with the winglets, I don't know if this can actually fold up. I'm not sure. To check, but I'm not really sure if it does. Have the, what is this? The box behind it. This one, oh, you have the Emirates and the registration, everything, the details of it. It's pretty nice, to be honest. See here. Emirates license. You can see the box looks very nice. You can see the detail and everything. Looks absolutely fantastic. So yeah, should be a good model. Model 115. Yeah. I'm not pretty sure if you can fold the winglets, but other than that, it's still a good model. Who cares? But yeah, looking forward to unbox it. Okay guys, so yeah, obviously I have the box here. So let's just get into it, unbox it. And yeah, I think it's already open from here. So I'm doing this with one hand, obviously, which is pretty hard for me. And trying my best right now. I'm like, okay, so like, basically, let's just open it from here. Should make sense. Oh, there we go. We have opened it up. And we have the box from here. Okay, so yeah, guys, we have the plane. Okay, a bit of a shame the wingtips don't fold. So yeah, it doesn't fold. It literally does not fold. Other than that, nice model. The tail is a bit loose actually. It's like almost broken. And it shows like this part very loose. So yeah, let's just cut it off. Like I have to obviously go from underneath. Like I don't know why they have to do these type of boxes. So annoying. Seriously annoying. Cut it off. Like very annoying. Let me just like. There we go, we've taken that one off. Okay, so the rear should be coming off like over here. I'm trying to cut it off. I don't know why this is so hard. These plastic parts. Okay, so we have the tail, which is now can easily come off. So we have that one gone. So now we have the plane right here. Looks very nice indeed. This is the plane. Let's just put it on the box for now. This is the aircraft, you know, very nice. Very nice aircraft. You can see the detail and everything from it. Very nice. Honestly, very nice thing. And I really think this is a good model. As you can see the detail of the cockpit. It's really a bit of a shame to have belly wheels, as you can see that. But yeah, other than that, very good model. 777 cockpit, very nice. 9X there, Emirates logo, everything is already there. Looks very nice. The Emirates painted almost on it as well. See the engine from here, everything. The wing view looks very nice. They don't have the Emirates thing on the bottom. You do have this belly. It looks very nice. The windows also perfectly. The livery. Other than that, it's a great model. That's it for this video. So yeah, I guess see ya in the next one.